Here we have a tour over the Tasman Lake to the Tasman Glacier at the base of Mount Cook, South Island, New Zealand. After a short hike, we get on a boat and head out onto the lake. Our guide tells us loads about the lake, the surrounding area, and the amazing icebergs here. The views of the surrounding mountains are just amazing. It's worth going on a trip just to see the scenery.
How far away some of these pieces have gone from that face? Well, because they're bergs, they're bits of ice that are floating here in the water. It means they're completely at the mercy of the wind.
How much these bergs are melting. So look at the water line on it. See where this line is, this mark. Every berg is melting. So, this ice here, guys, this has never seen the sun before. This piece of ice, this massive iceberg, would have fallen as snow at the very top of that glacier over there. And of course, how the ice lifts. The white replicants. Of course, that white ice has been in the sun for a heck of a lot. This
I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Please do check out the others on our channel. See you soon. Bye for now.